Hey there, gaming enthusiast, get ready to level up your gaming experience because the highly anticipated Anbernic RG556 gaming handheld is here and pre-orders are just kicked off. Now, if you are in the market for a powerful gaming handheld that's set to rival the Retroid Pocket Pro, you are in for a treat. The Anbernic RG556 boasts some impressive features that make it a strong contender in the handheld gaming arena. Now let's talk about the specs. The Anbernic RG556 comes with a 5.48-inch AMOLED display, delivering stunning visuals with a resolution of 1920x 180 pixels, powered by a Unisoc T820 chipset, 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM. This gaming beast ensures a smooth and responsive gaming experience. But what sets apart? Well, it's equipped with whole triggers, joysticks, and a 6-axis gyroscope, providing you with a compact yet solid gaming experience. Imagine playing your favorite games with gentle impact or Honor of Kings with unparalleled precisions. Now let's talk about the aesthetics. The Anbernic RG556 comes with two sleek options, classic black and a stylish translucent blue. So not only it's a powerhouse in terms of performance, but it also looks good doing it. But wait, there's more. The RG556 offers with storage options of either 128GB or 256GB microSD card, giving you a plenty of space for all your favorite games. Running Android 13, it opens up a world of possibilities for gaming and beyond. Connectivity is the key, and the RG556 doesn't disappoint with a single USB-C port. It not only charges the handheld, but also allows you to connect your external display using the display port. Game on a big screen. Anyone? Now let's talk about the price. The Anbernic RG556 is priced at $174.99 for the base model and up to $204.99 for the top tier microSD card model options. Excitingly, the earliest delivery are set for March 5, 2024. So mark your calendar if you are on the hunt for a gaming handheld that combines power, style, and versatility. The Anbernic RG556 might just be your next gaming companion. Stay well till the next time. Happy gaming!